Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share with you how to become a data visualization engineer in 2024. Now this applies if you want to be Tableau engineer, Power BI developer, ClickSense developer, Python data scientist or an R developer. So let us quickly go through and see what are these roles and the salary expectations for these roles. For Tableau engineer, or if you're a Tableau engineer, you focus on creating interactive dashboards and reports using the software called Tableau. Mainly, you'll be spending more of your time in Tableau desktop. The salary expectations are 70,000 to 130. I have seen most people start at 115,000 all the way to upwards of 200,000, depending on the company. At the same time, there is Power BI developer. You spend most of your time developing dashboards and publishing to the server. Salary expectations are 65 to 120. Remember, these numbers are very conservative. The actual results, the actual numbers in the markets, they are way more than this. Python developers or Python data scientists, you'll be spending most of your time working with libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, and many others. Salary expectations is 80,000 all the way to 150. But like I said, I've seen lots of people making upwards of 200,000. Um, a developer, you can also make starting at 70,000 all the way to upwards of 200,000. But then most of the people are within the range 70 to 130,000. Mainly, you'll be spending most of your time playing with R, ggplot2, Shiny, Tidyverse, and packages like that. And also, let's look at what they do. So all these developers, they pretty much do the same thing. They develop or they design and develop interactive dashboards and reports and make data visualizations specific to their tools. They work closely with the data analysts and stakeholders to understand data requirements. They clean, manipulate, and prepare data for analysis. I think most of their time they spend in cleaning, manipulating, and preparing data for analysis. Actually, the data visualization part of it is the easiest, or the easiest. Most of your time you'll be trying to manipulate data to make sure that you want to is in a position where you can visualize it. You analyze trends, patterns, and insight to drive business decisions, and of course you have to optimize your workbook or your visualization for it to be user friendly, fast, and to be performant. You also work with teams across the organization, and the good thing about it, you'll be working with decision makers in any organization, in any department, or the entire organization. So this gives you lots of visibility if you desire such. And also, how to become a data visualization engineer. From my experience, you need to pay nothing to be any of these, to be a Tableau, Power BI, or Python developer. You don't need to pay even a cent. The first thing that you need to do is to go on their official website, and also you need to visit YouTube and ChatGPT. They will walk you step by step to be where you want to be. So I am going to share with you right now. I'm going to share with you right now another area. For example, right here, if you go on Tableau official website, there's this e-learning. If you go on resources, learn Tableau, there's free training videos. This is official free training videos from Tableau, and you can, if you want to, you can pay. If you want to, you can pay for their learning, but still with the free training videos, you can get all the information that you need to get yourself started. Same thing with Power BI. If you go on their official website, there is free training videos that you can explore and get started. Python, there's this website called edube.com. You can learn Python, JavaScript from beginner to advanced, and you can just learn C sharp, C++, any course that you want, and this is absolutely free. Absolutely free. You don't need to pay a dime to get an IT skill. For R, you can go on their official website, and also you can just get free training. And the beauty of this all is that you can start downloading their software and start working on it absolutely free. And you get everything you need if you just use their free software. And the potential is crazy. And also the ability to just learn at your own time, at your own pace, at home is amazing. So I advise you to just consider this career pathway, and good luck. Bye bye.